Hello. Today we are going to talk about what is the benefit of paying income tax. This is a main question I get from a lot of people that why should we really pay income tax or why should we do the income tax filing correctly? And especially, I have seen that people who are earning really good money and they try to somehow escape from the tax return and they won't have really the taxable income, but they are earning a pretty really good money, really good money. So today I want to kind of take you through what are the 5 to 6 points as a benefit you get when you are compliant with the income tax filing and paying income tax. So tax filing and paying income tax, it's our moral responsibility as a citizen of India. So this money has to come for the government to run the public service work that government expenditure has to met from the tax return. All of us know. Okay, so what are the time? When we have to really make income tax payment? So when our income in a given financial year grows more than 2.5 lakh, then we are entitled to do the income tax filing. Especially, so when I say that income tax filing in the financial year start from April 1st to next year March 31st. So in between this period, if your income is more than 2.5 lakh, you are entitled to do the income tax filing return correctly. And you don't have to really pay the tax if you gross 2.5 lakh. Up to 5 lakh of your income in a given year, you have a rebate. So if your income is only lesser than 5 lakh, then you don't have to pay the income tax. You get a rebate. But if your income is anytime more than 5 lakh, then you have to pay the tax as per the slab. Now we have two methods. You can either take those taxable tax rebate investments or straight slab you can choose and go. I'm not going to talk about that today. 5 points where we get benefit by paying income tax. The first thing is that the moment you do the income tax filing, you are compelled with income tax. So which means there won't be any chances that if you do it correctly, you won't have any liability or penalty as per income tax. So you are fully compliant with income tax. So that is the best thing you will get according to income tax rule in India. The next is in terms of loan. If you want to take any loan, normally all the banks will ask for 3 years your income tax return statement. If you are filing the income tax return correctly, so this paper will be there and you will get loan from any nationalized bank at a fairly decent interest rate. If you do not have this, you have to end up going to corporate banks, you have to go to cooperative bank or NBFC. So all these things will attract more interest rate. So this is not good for your personal finance friend. The next is TDS. Anytime you earn interest from any bank, if your interest income is more than 10,000 in a given financial year, bank will deduct the TDS of 10%. So if you're filing this income tax correctly, those income they have taken as a TDS unnecessarily, you can reimburse it. So that is a big benefit, especially NRIs, those who have NRI account and those who are earning from abroad and not much income here. If they have NRO account and they have put that money as a FD, if their interest for that given year more than 10,000 rupees, all of them are getting deducted this TDS money. So by doing this NRI, so income tax return correctly, you can take those reimbursement correctly and you don't have to unnecessarily pay this money to government. So this one, most of the NRIs not aware. I have seen my own known people, they have been paying a TDS cut from last 8 years and they are not even aware that they have an option to get this reimbursement. And the next is visa processing. In case you are going for abroad and you are given for visa processing and you have a stable income and the income tax filed correctly, that shows that you are a person going to come back to India. And it is very easy for those visa processing officers to take a decision that you are a person who can get the visa and you will not stay in their country, you will come back to India very easily. For US, UK, all these places, when you process for visa, this is one thing which those officers will take, look after your income tax and see that if you are correctly doing this income tax filing, then you have an upper hand. The next is in terms of term insurance. Term insurance, when you apply for term insurance means you can get a bigger sum assured with a very small premium. Other policies are traditional policies, maybe money back and other endowment policies, where you have to pay more premium, and that is more as an investment. So that is not really adding any value to your life cover point of view. So if you really want to secure your dependents' future, you need to go for a term insurance. Those who are looking for term insurance, if you do not have income tax filing correctly, then there is a chance that your bank will, so your insurance company will reject your policy. So to get term insurance properly, compile yourself tax correctly. The next is if you are a businessman and or proprietary business owner. If you have any losses, you correctly did the income tax filing, then you have an opportunity to carry forward this loss. So when the upcoming years, when you make profit, you have an opportunity to set off and optimize your tax. So these are the 5-6 points which I just want to discuss in front of you and tell you that these are the advantages if you pay tax and the same time if you do the income tax return correctly. So in summary, it's you will compile with the income tax law. Then for visa processing, it is very easy. Then if you have any unnecessarily tedious or any reimbursement from your income, this can be recovered. Then for term insurance is easy, for easy loan. Then for any business losses, this can help to carry forward. These are the points which you will get as a benefit by doing income tax return correctly. Hope this is useful. If you have any questions related to these topics which I have discussed, you can email us or you can call us. We are happy to discuss. So in the next episode, we'll come back again with an informative topic related to wealth creation and personal finance. Thank you so much.